Has anybody actually compared them? And the answer is yes, I have. But here is the extremely irritating thing. There is no consistency. So for some products that I sell, where I have got the top spot in my given category, if I type that search term into Jungle Scout, for instance, then Jungle Scout will be massively off target, as much as like what it thinks I should be making per month. It will just be so far off target. It's just like ridiculous. It's like they plucked a figure out of their arse kind of thing. And Helium 10 will be within 10%, and Merchant Words will be within 5%, and etc, etc, etc. And then we take another product that I sell, same thing again, different category, and look at the data, and Merchant Words will be way off the mark. Helium 10, nowhere near, not even in the same postcode. Jungle Scout, within 7% of the actual sales results that I'm actually getting. So there is no consistency there, which is a complete pain in the arse, and I totally get that. So what do you do in that situation? Well, you do what we all do, and that's you use the information to inform your decision-making process, but you ultimately realize that they're all guessing. They're all guessing. They all take what amounts to an educated guess. Now, here's something interesting, something you may not be aware of. Amazon has just launched, I can't show you actually because I have to show you all my shit, but Amazon has just launched something called brand analytics. So if you've got brand registry on Amazon.com, for instance, if you've got your trademark and you've got brand registry, you've now got something called brand analytics. And that gives you Amazon's own data on search terms within your categories, within different competing brands. You can look at how many people are looking for their search terms. So it's kind of like Merchant Words, Jungle Scout, Helium 10, only accurate because it's Amazon's actual data. That's only available with brand registry. It's under something called brand analytics, and it's only available, like you get like the top 5 searches or something like that, depending on what you're looking at. So that's kind of sexy. It would be extremely surprising for me if Amazon ever released all their data, because that would be, I believe, suicide for their third-party sellers business. It would not be good for the third-party seller business. It's much better to keep us guessing than it is to tell us for Amazon, which is what we almost must consider, what's been in Amazon's best interests. It's much better that they keep us guessing. And if you think about that, that would make sense. Hey, thanks so much for watching that video, and I hope that you got some massive value from it. Before you go, do you live in Australia? If you do, this is for you. Would you like to learn how to sell things on Amazon here in Australia? Would you like to know what sells really, really well and what sells for the maximum amount of profit? Would you like to know where you can source those products from, whether that be in China or here in Australia, and how to source them so you pay bottom dollar and get maximum value for what you're doing? If you do, please subscribe to my channel and like this video, and you'll learn that and much more. It's the exact same information that people like Jeff from New South Wales I've used to make $45,000 a month on Amazon, that Sue, who's from the sunny coast, has used to purchase herself a brand spankly BMW every single year as a result of her e-commerce business, and the lovely Kate from Bowral in New South Wales has used to make $32,000 a year on, a month, not a year, a month on Amazon, and indeed Anthony, who makes $15,000 a month on Amazon, selling, as he puts it, odds and sods. If you'd like to learn the exact same information that they use to maximize their profits for their Amazon businesses, subscribe to this video, like my channel, post below if you want me to teach you something. Okay, I'm out of here. Speak to you soon. Bye. Subscribe. Do it now.